welcome back to Wanna Watch Me Code. Getting back to the DynServe project, I wanted to get the uninstallation working so that if you wanted to run, say, a web service temporarily and then be able to remove it for whatever reason, want to give you that, or users that, people that ability to perform that action on their DynServe server. So let's get back to it. We're going to be using the npm router now for installing the packages or the web services and managing their lifecycle. So one thing I actually want to do real quick that's unrelated is get IP from. Actually, no, we're not gonna do that. Screw that. I was gonna print out the IP for the logger middleware or whatever, but let's not do that. So we got post download, and actually let's update all of these, include the base path. Whoops. Real quick, do some cleanup. Okay. Get the base path. Okay, and then base path. Okay, run. So we've run, we have stop. Okay, let's move stop below. Let's go here, go like that. Go like that, and then let's go. Let's move this down too, because it's not very important. Okay, so now we got stop, and I don't like tool name. Whatever, tool name, what do we name it up here for the download? It's tool name. Okay, we'll do tool name. Okay, so what do we got? For stop, right, we're gonna have to do a few things. One, so we'll want to stop the web service. So the way it's working right now is the web service basically takes in the app that it attaches to and then attaches its routers to that. And then those routers are exposed with the APIs that people can use. So the idea here is we'll have to go in, find the routes related or associated with our web service, and then remove them from the Express app. Once that's done, we'll also want to remove the package itself from the requires cache or whatever it's called, this right here, because what would happen is if they uninstalled and I wasn't to do this, and then they wanted to reinstall and download a newer version of that web service, the old one would still be cached, and so any changes they made between the last install and the new one would still be present, and you wouldn't get your updated version. So we want to clear it from that cache, and then basically that. So we were looking, what we were looking at, the Express logic where they have routes that you can reference and then remove. So let's take a look at that. I think I have some stuff pulled up about it. Let's go here. Is this it? So that's the cache, and then we wanted this. Okay, your app.route should look similar to this. Got it. Yeah. Okay. But I wonder if so I'm getting the app here from the request. Wondering if that's the same as do I not have the types installed for this? What's going on? It should show what it actually is. Let's go to package JSON, Express. So we have Express, we have types node, types Express. So we should have it. So I'm not sure why it's being so abstract with that. Record. Oh, okay. application record string. Okay, can I like jump into this real quick? Can I go F12? Application, good application. Express application, iRouter, event emitter. So let's get express application. Global express application is not defined. Okay. Oops. So this is just okay. Application, init, default configuration, engine. Set get mounted servers inherit their parent server settings. Setting val this name string iRouter mounter. Settings string val any. Okay, param name, param callback path enabled. So enabled, app enabled foo false, app enabled. I don't look at the settings are disabled, render, listen, router. Oh, it's a string though. Resource map, locals, routes, any. The app.routes object houses all of the routes defined, mapped by the associated HTTP verb. This object may be used for introspection capabilities. Ooh, okay, so then, alright, so then what does router have? Okay, let's go to our, what did we do here? Save that. Okay, let's go to our web service in the Swizzy DynServe. No, not that. Web service and Swizzy web service, right? Yeah, in the source. Okay, so now let's see. Uninstall. Wait, what is this? Web service. This is uninstall routers. Uninstall routers. Install routers. Uninstall routers. Okay, so yeah, so we're here. Wait. Geez. All right. Let me. Is this it? Routes. Okay. Routes dot. And this is gonna be, I guess, an object. So let's do object dot entries dot routes. Actually, you know what? Can I just do? I know my routes, so this will be this dot routers dot for each router. Okay, and then router dot. Okay. What's on unlock, unlink? What does that mean? Let's go F12 unlink. What does unlink mean? Special case all method applying the given route path middleware and callback to every HTTP method. What does unlink to? Let's go to the documentation. Unlink router param. Man. Router.param use router. Param route. Can I do like? Is there anything like app dot remove listener event name? Oh man. I'm gonna app route should look like this, so you could be able to loop through app.routes.get until you find what you're looking for, then delete it. The above approach requires you have a named function for the route. I want to do this as well, but didn't have a named function for route, so I wrote an npm module I can remove routes by specifying the routing path. Here you go. Let's also go back to that so we save it. App use foo router, app foo remove me. All routes to the path foo remove me. It's just such a bummer that like that's not a native feature, dude. So like when you have a router, does it not keep any context of the router? It just applies it. I wonder if I should make this something built into Express. What do I do? Oh man, I did this before. I just forget how I did it. Stack I route equals route, stack display size. There's route, function route, prototype unmount function route. Shouldn't use a private field though, it doesn't seem right. Alright, let me do another test. Router.onLink. Express. Okay, routing. Unlink. How does this even pop up if there's not even an unlinkage? Oh man. Alright. So we do what? App.use. Where is it? Install router. It's just app.use, right? App.use. There we go. Okay. Is a router request handle? Router, query router, case sensitive, merge frame, strict, application, core. Handler, I don't know, man. Alright. Where we going? For route, router dot for to pub routers. This pub routers equals routers. Okay. This isn't even where we want it. Unsubscribe. What does this do? Like, I can't find express routing. Where's the API? Why is this all they show, dude? I see so many more methods. Request.app. This is the property holds a reference to the instance of the Express application that is using the middleware. If you follow the pattern in which you create a module that just exports the middleware function and require it in your main file, then the middleware can access the Express instance via req.app. App.locals. Express generate basic routing. Oh my gosh. Do I go to GitHub? Express.js. Express. Oh, there we go. Web. Router. Route. What's route? Come on. Big flat and slice to string module exports route path. Let's go to application. Let's see, methods, middleware. Is there routes? There's no routes, dude. Router. Okay. Oh well, that's an import. App, exports, app init, app default configuration, booting and mode. This on mount, lazy router, handle, far route, this dot router, app use, phones for each, app dot route, app dot route, okay, let's see, route, app dot use, app engine, app param, app set, path, app enabled, app disabled, app enable setting, yeah, app disable, methods for each. Methods dot for each. What? Okay, that's in. Where? What is this under? I can't. App disable. App all function. It's always around. Delete alias. Deprecate function. App.delete. Oh yeah. app.render, app.listen, try render log. Okay, it's not gonna help me. Utils, buffer, etag, wtag is absolute flag, normalized types, content disposition, accept frames, come out etag. Create etag, express, create application, okay, application, app default configuration. I think I just went through this, right? Handle this var router, this dot router, done callback, final handler. If not router, debug never has to find on app done, router dot handle, rec res done. Okay, so then router index, let's get an index, proto, param, handle, function next. This is params, param callback, proto dot route, route path, route new route path. Okay, methods concat all append methods, get path name, get type, match layer, restore, wrap, layer, what's layer? Path regex has an property, layer, decode param, so let's go, oh my gosh, okay. App exports app init, where's like app get, app.get. This dot set path methods for each function. Where's methods? Route methods of either apply route args. Okay. App render. I'm just confused. Where is methods var query router module dependencies private app init route, let's see route var route, this dot router, that route path. Let's use app use path length type of flatten slice arguments, new type of app use requires middleware function for each function, lazy route router, this dot router for each router use path func. Got it. Okay, so the entire context of a router, so the router is just gone once you pass it in. It just uses to apply it to the app, it looks like. Okay, interesting. Okay, so maybe I should clone this and make a change. Yeah, let's do it. Let me change the name of the episode to updating Express or something. That's crazy. Let's go. Alright. Be right back. And let me just update the title here. Be right back. I'm gonna update the title of the video. Be right back.